This is a recirculation damper. How can I use it and what is it? Let's see together. First of all, what is this big object? It's a recirculation damper and it's used in pressostatic structure to optimize heating. Basically, each air and heat generator in pressostatic field has two air pipes. One is the intake, so the air is kept from outside with fan and heated using the heater, and then goes inside the structure to create the pressure to keep the structure up. The other pipe is the recirculation, which is used during the heating phase to optimize heating and optimize heating costs. So basically we have this damper which can be opened, or which now it's closed and can be opened using this small shaft. And how does it work? Well, when heating is off, this damper must be closed. This in order to keep the pressure higher in the structure, in particular when there is, I don't know, snow or wind, and this damper can be a big hole in the structure, and air can go away using this damper. So keep it closed when heating is off. When heating is on, this damper must be open, so the heater can take air from outside, which is cold, but also an amount of air from the inside, which is hotter, so heater burns less fuel to heat the structure. We have basically two ways to open and close this damper. You can open and close manually. We have on the shaft also a tip to see if it's open or closed, like in water pipes. Or we can open and close using a motor like this one. So, for example, with our press system, we mount a motor to open and close the damper when needed. A few tips. This damper has some gears inside of it to open and close. So keep in mind that you will need to maintain these gears, and so grease it or lubricate it and so on. And another tip, before the structure mounting, so in October for example or September, please verify if the damper is working correctly. So try to open and close the damper using the motor if you have the motor, or manually if you don't have the motor, and verify if it opens and closes. If not, you will need to change the damper. You can change only the damper with a mechanical maintenance. So I think this is all for today. Feel free to ask questions, doubts and so on in the comments, or contact us on our website, and good maintenance to all.